Hey guys, welcome again to Wendy Styles. If you're really going for a short natural hairstyle, this haircut today is a great choice for you because those styles on your screen comes in different shapes and sizes. And one thing about the maintenance is that it's a very low maintenance haircut that will always make you look beautiful, you know. One thing about the style is that it's indeed a wash and go hairstyle for every woman, that you don't have to waste much time in front of the mirror. Maintaining this haircut, you see, is just so easy because it's a haircut that with the right products like the Kings and Coils or with the MIELLE kit, you are good to go. So using the desired coiling cream will really make you have this gorgeous twist on your hair. So one thing about this haircut is that it's a popular haircut and it's a style that will always make you look unique and it will always make you look so gorgeous. So it's the kind of hairstyle that will always take many years of your age and is a versatile style. And for you to maintain the style is that it's just for you to choose the right cut. Like the shorter cut tends to lose that fresh look a lot more quicker, especially if your hair naturally goes fast. And always avoid washing your hair too much, because sometimes washing your hair too many times really strip off its natural oils and make it look that dry. So don't forget to use the right conditioner regularly, which I've always advertised here in my description box. So you can check my description box on the link on how you can get the best conditioner either online through Amazon or AliExpress, or check in your local salon or any supermarket around you can get it. So depending on your coat, just try to use the right tools that will make your hair look beautiful and make it to shine. And please don't use heat equipment like to really dry your hair. Sometimes you just allow your hair to dry naturally, and how you can do it is just drying the hair, leaving it open and going to bed before waking up the next day. Or sometimes use a bonnet, but I prefer leaving mine open till the next day. Then by the next day it's already dried and I can style it the way I want. So let me just let you guys to check out this timeless short haircut that will make you stand out more in the crowd. I appreciate my returning subscribers. I appreciate my new subscribers. Stay up to Wendy Styles for more beautiful short haircuts coming your way.
What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Now wait till you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Wait till you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. Coco, what have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't trust me again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me. won't believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. What do you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Now wait till you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Wait till you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Now wait till you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Wait till you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Now wait till you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Wait till you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you has been you. I need you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it has been you. I need you. Now waiting you want believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Waiting you want believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it has been you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it has been you. I need you. Now waiting you want believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Waiting you want believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it has been you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it has been you. I need you. Now waiting you want believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Waiting you want believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me?